Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to organize your Gmail inbox by creating folders. Well, in Gmail, we actually call them labels. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set them up and keep your emails neat and easy to find. So let's dive in. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once you're in, tap the three-line menu icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. Scroll down until you see the label section. Next to it, you'll notice a plus icon. Tap that to start creating your new label. Name your label now. It's time to give your label a name. Make it descriptive so that finding emails later is quick and easy. For example, you can name it Work Projects if it's for your office emails, or Travel Plans if it's for vacation-related messages. The key is clarity. It will save you a lot of time in the future. Create and apply your label. Once you've entered your label name, simply tap Create and voila! Your label is ready to use. You can start organizing your emails immediately by applying this label to both new and existing emails. Just select an email, tap the three-dot menu, choose Label, and select your newly created label. Remember, Gmail labels are fully customizable. You can edit or delete them anytime to match your changing needs. Using labels regularly keeps your inbox clutter-free, efficient, and stress-free. No more endless scrolling for that one important email. And that's it. Creating folders or labels in Gmail is that easy. Start organizing your inbox today and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a tidy email system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.